Welcome back. In this video, let us see how we can use the option flash fill in Excel. If I wanted to get first three characters of the first name and first three characters of the last name, I can use Ron and Roth. Now this is the three characters of first name and three characters of last name. If I use the shortcut key Ctrl E, it will automatically fill for rest of the employees. You'll be able to see the first three characters for the first name and first three characters of the last name has been filled. NOE, NOR, NOE and NOR. I don't want the format to look like this. So what I will do is, for the first three characters, first alphabet I will use the capital letter RON. Then for the last name, first character I will use capital again ROT. Since I wanted to do the proper formatting, I will use this method. I will use Ctrl E again to flash fill. You will be able to see the first character of the first name and the first character of the last name is in capital letter. So this has been applied for all the employees. Let us try one more option. I wanted to combine first name and the last name without using the function concat. So it will be first name space last name. I will type Ronald space ROTH, Roth. Now you will see there is a plus mark here, plus symbol here. If I double click on the plus symbol, let us see what will happen. So it has copied the same name, first name and the last name for the entire cells. There is a small menu here. If you select the drop down of this small menu, you will be able to see there is a option which is called as flash fill. Select this flash fill and you have your data, first name and the last name for the entire cells. Let us do the same exercise using the shortcut key Ctrl E. I will use Ronald and Roth. Then Ctrl and E. So it has flash filled for the other cells as well. So you have the data of first name and the last name for all the other employees. We have seen how the flash fill works for the alphabetical letters. Let us also combine the alphabetical letters with the numeric digits. So I wanted to use the first name, the three letters of the first name with the employee ID. Let us see how we are able to combine the three letters from the first name and the employee ID, which is in digits. So I'll use Ron in caps and employee ID 7253945. And I will use the shortcut key as Ctrl and E. You will be able to see the first three letters of the employee name and the employee ID has been combined here. So this is the new employee ID. So this way you will be able to use flash fill for combining the alphabetical characters, and also you can use with the alphabet and numeric digits. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.